Good afternoon, everybody. How's the Sunday afternoon treating everyone? Excited? Yes? I can't hear. Great. Congratulations. This is your platform, guys, and you did it, right? So you all are entrepreneur in some way, everybody who has participated in the platform. So this thing startup, it's like we can say it's our baby who has growing day by day. And like Sanjeeva sir has already said, like in 2021, we came up with an idea from Colonel Pokhriyal and Shivani and Sanjeeva sir. So we all were sitting together in a room and we thought like what to do. Kuch to karte hain yaar. Because I am from skill development from past 10 years and we were like doing vocational trainings everywhere. But schools कुछ तो करना है, क्या करना है? So we started with एक idea जो बदल दे भारत. Now we are at नई सोच नया भारत, right? So एक idea जो बदल दे भारत, तो हम भारत को नहीं बदल रहे हैं. We are creating a new India, and this platform has given all of you a space where you can come up with your talent. So congratulations everybody, and congratulations to all the support you have. You got from your school mentors, teachers, principals. So thank you, a big thank you to all the mentors who has guided you. I remember my school days, we were like only like, okay, padna hai. So only the theoretical knowledge was there. There was no platform where we used to get the practical training. There was a lab. So we are the generation, we are the most, we are the unique generation who has seen the development of computer from floppy to right now like everybody, like on a cloud. So yeah, so floppy, CD and everything. So we are the generation, we have seen the actual innovation, but we have never got the platform where we can come out these skills. So I have rightly said, like we have ChatGPT, we have Google, we have everything to search, but there is a mind come behind that. What prompt needs to be given? So you guys have that capacity and capability where you have thought about each and everything and created a new design. And congratulations to all those designs which have been selected in top 100. So we have started with a bunch of schools and now the entire India is with us. And thanks to CBSE who has been a backbone to us, who has supported us and introduced this particular program to all the schools. So it's a very proud moment for Think Startup and MEPSC, and we look forward and we always say, let's go international. So Shivani, let's go international from next time. Okay, let's see, let's show the world where we are. It's not about only Naya Bharat, Naya puri dunya banate hain, right? So congratulations everybody and all.